How to make multiple Clash of Clans accounts. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Clash of Clans. You already have an account, so click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And there, click on Open at the top. You'll find this kind of screen. Click on the top right corner of your screen, which is the pencil-like icon. After you click on it, click on the cross marks beside your name. After you've clicked on it, press on Confirm. After it's confirmed, you will be logged out and you will find trainer mode again. Make sure you play everything in the trainer mode and you'll find this kind of screen. Click on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen again. And at the top, you will find Disconnected option. Click on Disconnected option at the top. After that, click on Create a new ID in here. Then in here, click on Continue. After that, you can enter your email, re-enter your email and press on Create at the bottom. After you've pressed on Create, verification code will be sent to your mail. Simply copy paste the code and press on Submit at the bottom. After you do that, you'll find your name pop up. Press on Continue. You can change the name if you want to. After you've done that, select your avatar and your background and press on Continue. After that, your account will be created. This is how to make multiple Clash of Clans accounts. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment